Hey, this is Rick Brandenburg for Turf Bugs and Rock and Roll. And during the last half of 2021, we took the time to do some some Three Stooges videos where I had my colleagues Jim Kearns and Fred Yelverton and myself, and we talked about transitioning from one season into the next, and perhaps some thought processes that you go through or some practices to help you with your pest management as you went from summer to fall and then fall into winter. So hopefully if I can twist their arms hard enough that we're going to do that for winter into spring and then spring into fall as far as aspects of pest management, as I got a lot of positive feedback on that. So as we go into the new year, we'll try to continue that and help you with a little bit of advanced planning. One thing I want to mention is that as Fred and Jim and I talk about the various pests, the weeds, diseases, and insects, there are some similarities and there are some differences. The similarities are that the environment has a huge impact on these pests, whether it be soil moisture, whether it be temperature, soil temperature or air temperature, relative humidity, plant health. All these impact the potential for a pest to occur, for the timing that it occurs, and for the severity of that particular pest. So those are some consistencies, whether you're talking about weeds, diseases, or insects. But there are also some differences. And what Fred and Jim and I, as we give our individual talks, we usually end up leaving it up to you to connect the dots and figure out how you can kind of comprehensively integrate these practices into less work and more effectiveness. So one of the things I'd like to do in 2022 with the help of my colleagues is maybe we could talk a little bit about how these things fit together and how practices for one impact the other, and how as we look at environmental changes and environmental influences on these pests, maybe we can pull the insects, weeds, diseases into a tighter package to make life a little bit easier for me. I hope so anyway. I hope that helps. Look forward to talking with you again soon.